YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I have in my cosmetology kit. Last week I started my cosmetology school, and since then they gave us our kit. The first day they gave us our kit, and it is a nail kit, a hair kit, skincare, and makeup kit. So I'm going to be showing you guys all 4 of those. So let's just get right into the video. The first kit I'm going to be showing you guys is my hair kit. The first thing we got is an adjustable clamp, which is, used to hold your mannequin up when you're working with it. And it just looks like this. Then we have, I actually got 2 of these, but I only brought 1 home because, I don't need to. It's just a spray bottle, has water in it. We got this little bag, which actually holds all of your combs inside. And it literally has every single comb in it, even a hair dyeing brush. Then they give you a kit for your shears. This is just a strap that you can wear like around your waist if you're working with your shears, so you don't have to sit them down. And it just comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shears, and then it has 2 little combs that come with it. And I'm not going in any specific order, I'm just pulling everything out of my bag they gave me. Then they give you Wall Professional clipper and trimmer duo. So it comes with 2 in here, a set of clippers. Then they give you this big bag of like perm rods that you can use to curl hair and everything like that. Something that you can use for the tip of your blow dryer, which is a diffuser, and it just makes your hair curly. Then they give you shaving razor with 2 blades, which is for like a men's haircut. They give you this bag of clips. Then they give you about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different brushes. They give you this brush. They give you a hard brush, another one just like the first one, but it's a little bit tinier. They give you a paddle brush, a brush like that, and then another brush. They give you this porcelain ceramic curling iron. They give you 2 hair dyeing bowls for hair color. They give you a blow dryer. They give you a stylist apron. They give you a ceramic straightener. They give you these wrap end papers. They also give you a whole bunch of little butterfly clips. Then they give you some duck clips. Everything that I just pulled out and showed you guys was all put into a bag that they provide to you to carry all of your... The bag is pretty big. It is about this big, and it does have this, so we don't have to carry it, and it extends. You don't have to carry all of your stuff. It has wheels on it, and it's pretty big. Everything fits in here. I'm gonna move on to the next kit, and I'm gonna show you guys the skincare kit, which comes in a bag like this. In the skincare kit, they give you a pair of tweezers. They give you massage cream, and all the brands are Dermalogica. In the other side right here, they give you a whole skincare kit with special cleansing gel, daily microfoliant, skin smoothing cream, and a multivitamin power firm, all in here. And this is your skincare kit. Next, moving on to my makeup kit, they give you a little makeup box that is just like this. It looks like this, and the way it opens is like that. They give you these little disposable brushes, and all of the makeup brand name is Ofra. So they give you this Ofra translucent powder for light, translucent powder for dark. They give you about 6 different lip liner colors. They give you 4 different lipstick shades and a mascara. They give you this wet and dry foundation. They give you a nude lip gloss and a clear one. They give you this little palette just in case you need to mix your foundations for different skin tones, and then the little spatula that goes with it. They give you this loose eyeshadow bronze, another loose eyeshadow bronze, but it's like emerald. They give you a gel liner. Then they give you a pack of brushes to go with everything in here. They give you foundation, an eyeshadow palette, a blush slash bronzer palette, and then they give you a bronzer slash highlight palette. Then you have eyeshadows and lipsticks, because some you can tell are lip gloss or lipstick, and then some are powder, so they're eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my nail kit, which just comes in this brown box like this. It really doesn't have like a case that it came in. I will probably eventually buy myself a case that, like, you know, I can keep all my little nail stuff in. So they give you all the little tools that you're supposed to use, you know, to do nails. Then they give you this little bowl to dip your fingers in the acrylic, I think, because it has like handprints that go like that. So probably like when you want to remove your nails, they give you a pair of little slippers that they use at the nail salon. Hydrating cuticle remover, like it's like cream, I guess, before you get your nails done. They give you the acrylic kit, which comes with everything that they would use in the nail salon. Polish remover acetone, some nail surface cleanse, and then my last thing in here is some nail polish. And they have about 6 different nail polishes in the box. So that was all for what's in my cosmetology kit. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.